In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone on Bitbucket. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to get a local copy of your code using either HTTPS or SSH, and how to bring it into tools like SourceTree or Visual Studio Code. Start by heading to bitbucket.org in your browser and sign into your workspace. From your dashboard, navigate to the repository you want to clone. You can find it from the recent repositories list, the repositories menu, or by searching. Make sure you have access to the project. If you don't see it, check with your admin or switch to the correct workspace. Once you're on the repository page, look to the top right of the screen for the clone button. Clicking it opens a small panel with the repository's clone options. This panel is where you choose how you want to connect and where you'll grab the link you'll use in your Git tool. Select whether you want to use HTTPS or SSH. HTTPS is the most straightforward choice and works well if your organization uses single sign-on or app passwords. You'll typically be prompted for credentials the first time you interact. SSH uses a key pair and is great if you prefer not to enter credentials frequently. If you already have your SSH public key added to your Bitbucket account and your key agent running on your machine, SSH will give you a smooth, passwordless experience. If your team or company has a preferred method, follow that standard to avoid access issues. After you choose HTTPS or SSH, use the copy button in the panel to copy the clone URL to your clipboard. Some views also show a full git clone command. Copying either the URL or the full command works, depending on your tool. Keep that link handy. You'll paste it in just a moment. If you use SourceTree, open it and choose the clone option. Paste the link you copied into the source URL field, pick a destination folder on your machine where you want the repository to live, and confirm the name if needed. Click Clone, and SourceTree will pull the code, set up the remote, and show you branches as soon as it finishes. If you prefer Visual Studio Code, open it, go to the source control view, and select Clone Repository. Paste the link, choose a local folder, and when prompted, open the cloned repository in a new window. VS Code will detect the Git project and enable Git features like branch switching and commits right away. That's it. Your repository is now cloned and ready for you to start working locally.